guys, welcome back to my channel. Just decided to just do a really laid back and kind of chilled video, so I'm just going to do a all drugstore everyday makeup tutorial. So I know I've done maybe one of these on my channel before, but I just wanted to do a new one with new products and just see how it turns out. If you think the eyes are a bit too much, you can always just go for something a lot more natural and neutral, but this is just the look that I came up with. So if you like the idea of this video and you like the look of this makeup look that I'm wearing right now, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So I'm just gonna add moisturizer and everything into this. So I'm just gonna take the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. This is my favorite moisturizer just ever to use. It's just really hydrating, and it's from the drugstore as well, which makes it a lot better because I don't feel as bad going through it as others. I just quickly went to do my brows just to save you all the pain of watching me do my eyebrows, and I think I'm just going to do the face first because we have a friend today. We've got a nice little breakout, literally it's like right underneath my brow, which is a really weird place to get a breakout, but yeah, I'm gonna call him Johnny. We've got Johnny here today, so find if you just name your breakouts, you don't hate them as much. So okay, moving on to primer, I am just going to take the NYX Angel Veil Face Primer. This is just one of my favourites from the drugstore. It's really good, it smooths out your skin so nicely and just makes a really good canvas for your makeup to sit on top of. Because I want to cover up Johnny, we're just going to do foundation now. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in 220. I don't know, today I did really want to use the Superstay foundation, but I don't know what it is with this. Like, I love this foundation so much. I have my correct shade now, but it oxidizes on me so badly. If anyone doesn't know what oxidizing means, it's just when something in the foundation, something with the formula, it just mixes with the oxygen in the air and it just goes really dark on your skin. Like, I've put it on my hand just to test it again and it's gone a lot darker. I don't know if it's just me that has this problem, but it's really annoying because this is a really good shade. Yeah, look at that. You can see the difference from that is what I just pumped on now. And that's what it goes to. And it's just like, that would be the perfect shade for me because it's got a really good olive yellow undertone in this. And then it just goes really dark and orange and stresses me out because I really like this foundation. So can't use that. Then for concealer, a great concealer for every day for me from the drugstore is the L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and I've got the shade Golden Honey. While that's kind of just settling in, I'm just going to prime the eyelids. So I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for that. I just think it's a really good eye primer as well as a concealer. My channel, by the way, and you're just wondering why the hell I just left my concealer there and then came back to it, it's just because it's just like a personal preference kind of thing. But I just feel like if I leave my concealer to kind of dry the tiniest bit, not dry up and it's all gross and it just looks horrible, but if it just dries the tiniest bit and then I blend it out, I feel like I just get a lot more of a fuller coverage from it. I don't know if that's just me, I've just been doing it for a while and I think it just works. So on concealers that I don't think have the fullest of coverage, you know, like the Shape Tape or the Makeup Revolution concealer, then I do like doing that with these concealers like this L'Oreal one, because it's not the fullest coverage, but I really like the formula of it. So I feel like that helps if I just kind of let it set for a second. Then to set the under eyes, set the eyelids, and just set my face, Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Powder. Still don't know what I think of this powder because it's a bit pink. So I don't know if I like it or not. I feel like it does the job, it sets the makeup, but like colour wise it's a bit pinky. I think I'm just gonna get the eyes just out of the way because I feel like I just look like a zombie right now. So because I already primed and everything, I'm just gonna go in with just some light eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the I Heart Makeup Chocolate Orange eyeshadow palette. These are so affordable, they're like £8 and look at them, the pigment's great. I've done tons of videos using these palettes. I love them, they're great. As possible not to use Peach Smoothie or just use that eyeshadow. I'm just gonna stick to the ones in the palette. So I think I'm just gonna start off with this shade right here. There are no names, so I'm just gonna have to point. So I'm just gonna take this shade here. It's just like a matte kind of, I'd say kind of mauvey brown. I'm gonna take this purple hair and just run this in the crease and outer corner. I'm gonna kind of keep it in the outer half of my eye. I'm then going to use this shade in the outer V just to really deepen it up. And then I'm going to take the first shade from the palette that I use, which is this one, and just pat that on the inner half of the eye just so it's a nice matte look, and that's literally all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow. Okay, I'm done with that. So I'm just going to add some eyeliner and all that. So you guys know I Like Girl, you can get it, it's on Beauty Bay, but it's like £4, so it's a drugstore price even though it's not actually from the drugstore, so I'm allowing it. I'm going to take the Essence Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. This is a volumizing and lengthening one. So for highlighter, where is it? So for highlight, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss, and this is their Golden Kiss one. Well, I think it's buildable. I feel like you can build it, and even if you wet it, it's really, really nice, and it can be really intense. Bronzer, I'm going to take the NYX No Filter face powder, I guess. And it's in the shade Golden, and this is what I'm going to use today. This isn't actually from the drugstore, but it's a really affordable price. It's Makeup Geek, so this is their contour pan, and it's in the shade Complicated. Look how nice that is. I'm going to use that to contour with. Blush, I'm going to take the number 7 blush in the shade Peach Velvet. Okay, then just to finish off for lips, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. That is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the look that I came up with today. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and leave me a comment down below as well. As always, make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss a video from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I can't believe I'm filming at 7:30 at night. Like, what am I doing? Okay, baby. Is your love enough? Come on, baby, believe it. Is your love enough? The Rimmel match with... Can you keep me up all the way through the evening? Is your love enough? I just had it in front of me a minute ago. Are you kidding me? Can you keep me up all the way through the evening? Is your love enough? Is your love enough? Na 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 na.